Hey there! I recently watched an interesting video about how to make money by creating designs for t-shirt stickers and selling them through an Etsy shop. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description of this video. This creative business idea caught my attention with its simplicity and opportunity for self-expression. However, despite my expectations, I haven't yet achieved the desired income. Anyone would be disappointed not getting results. While studying the success of other sellers, I realized I had made quite a few mistakes. So, I decided to correct my missteps and share what needs to be changed to avoid similar errors and successfully launch your Etsy shop from the get-go. When I started with Etsy, I underestimated the importance of properly launching a shop. Like many beginners, I simply opened a shop, uploaded a few products, and waited for sales. But success requires more than that. In this video and the ones to follow, I'll show you how to strategically launch your shop and optimize each listing to achieve maximum success. Etsy is a powerful platform for creating a successful online business. No matter what you're selling, handmade items, digital goods, or vintage products, I'll explain how to avoid mistakes and do everything right from the start. While working with Etsy, I realized a key point. Success depends not only on creating a shop, but also on making it appealing to buyers. Customer engagement is the key to success. The more people interact with your products, the higher Etsy ranks your shop, showing it to a larger number of potential customers. The secret lies in creating listings that not only attract attention, but also hold it. In this course, I'll share 6 rules that will help you create the most appealing listings on Etsy. These rules will not only attract customers, but also demonstrate to Etsy's algorithms that your shop deserves visibility and attention. Create a trustworthy brand image. Your shop should inspire trust at first glance with a quality logo, clear positioning, and responsive customer service. Take scroll-stopping photos. Your job as a seller is to create listings that are so attractive they stop buyers in their tracks. This will help Etsy recognize that your products are popular and show them more often. Write comprehensive descriptions. Your product descriptions should be so complete and clear that buyers are left with no questions. This reduces the likelihood of returns and increases conversion rates. Set competitive prices and shipping terms. It's important that your prices and shipping conditions are attractive to buyers, while also covering your costs and generating profit. Understand search and research your SEO. Proper use of keywords and listing optimization will help you rank higher in search results and attract more buyers. Create a standout, marketable product. Your product should stand out from the competition and offer clear value to the buyer, ensuring they choose to purchase from you. Now that you know these rules, I invite you to join me as we go through all the stages of creating a successful Etsy shop together. I'll show you how to properly launch your shop and what steps to take for your business to thrive. Let's get it right from the beginning together.